Hello everyone, welcome back to Lola Emmanuel TV. Happy weekend to you all. I hope you guys are keeping safe out there. In today's video, I will be showing you how to prepare the best and the perfect meat pie filling. If you want to know how to make the best meat pie filling, please keep watching this video. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, enable the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upload. So to know how to prepare this, please stay tuned and keep watching. These are my ingredients to prepare meat pie filling. I have 1 kg of minced meat. I'm using beef. I have ginger and garlic paste. I have seasoning powder, potatoes and carrots. I have salt. I have oil. I have spring onion. I have onion. I have scotch bonnet, dry thyme, fresh rosemary leaf, black pepper, curry powder, white pepper, nutmeg, paprika. I have corn flour. So the first thing to do is to peel the vegetables, which is the carrots and the potatoes. I will start by peeling my carrots and I will transfer this to the water after peeling it so that the color does not change to brown or to red. I'm using British fresh potato, so you can use any potato of your choice. Now I finished peeling the vegetables. I'll go ahead and cut it into small sizes, like cubes size. As you can see, this is how I normally cut my potato, how I normally chop it. Make sure it's not too big, it's not too small, and make sure your potato and carrots are the same size. Here is how I love to cut my potato. As you can see from the screen, I finished cutting the potatoes and I'll go ahead and proceed to the carrots. Please cut your potatoes and carrots any how you prefer. This is how I normally do mine, so just choose any method you like or you prefer to cut yours. Finished cutting all my vegetables. It is time to proceed to the cooking process. I have my pots on the fire and I will go ahead and add my cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I will go ahead and add my chopped onion, give it a stir, then I will add my scotch bonnet, I will add rosemary leaf, my bay leaf. I will stir together for about 1 minute. At this stage, I'll go ahead and add the minced meat. And you need to give this a mix. You need to stir this together to make sure that you don't have any lump on it. Make sure you mix all the minced meat very well together. This requires some strength to do. Here, as you can see, everything is well stirred, and at this stage I'll go ahead and add my seasoning stock powder. I'm using chicken flavor, and I will have salt. I will give it a stir. Cover this for about 2 minutes to cook, and then after 2 minutes I've come back to check on the meat on fire. So at this stage I'll go ahead by adding the ginger, garlic paste, the turmeric, thyme, curry powder, black pepper, nutmeg, paprika, and white pepper, and give it a stir. So at this stage I realized that the salt is not enough, so I add a little bit of salt, and I'll go ahead and add my potato first. You need to cook your potato first. Do not cook the potato and carrot at the same time. Carrot is not that strong. Carrot is a vegetable that you can eat raw, but potato you need to cook it. So I'll first cook my potato first. Once the potato is perfectly done, then I will go ahead and add my carrots. That is how I normally prepare mine. And I love when I'm eating my meat pie, I love when the carrot is crunchy, something like that. So if you have them both together, the carrots will kind of overcooked, and I don't like the kind of mushing, something like that, so I don't like it. At this stage, the potato is ready. It's very ready, and I added a little bit of water to cook this. I will go ahead now and add my carrots and the spring onion. If you have bell pepper, you can add it at this stage, but I don't have bell pepper. I forgot to get it when I went out, so I will be using potato, carrots, and spring onion. Here's my spring onion. You need to add this to your meatpie filling. You're going to love the amazing flavor in it, the taste. You're going to love it. Give it a stir, and and then I will be adding the corn flour. I have 4 tablespoons of corn flour that I will be using to thicken the filling. If you don't have corn flour, you can use normal flour that you're going to use to bake your meat, to make your meat pie rather. So I will just go ahead and have 4 tablespoons of water to my corn flour. I will mix it together until everything is well dissolved into the water. So this will help your filling to be thicker. I will add the remaining one and stir this together. You can see the texture of this filling is going to change after adding the corn flour into it. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, don't forget to like and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Share it in your Facebook and your WhatsApp status. Share it with your friends. Share it. Let people see it and let people learn the perfect and the best recipe themselves. So at this stage, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.